What is that? Yeah, I have her number. Bye.
You alright?
Oh, I'm fine.
Like it. Say bye.
I can't. You had to eat elevator rides. What do you mean?
I was like, you guys.
Huh? No, he
you
like
guys.
Lily. Every time we see him, we hear that noise.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Weren't you with him?
No. No, I was talking to him. Like, I
Oh
don't know.
yeah, Lily. Every time he goes in and out of somewhere, he like makes that noise. I think he's trying to like get a reaction out of people.
Guest. If you're a guest and you're staying here, you will stay in room 6 to 12. If you're on level 14, you're in the executive floor. It's different. You got a text? Is that your text notification?
No.
Well, hopefully, we'll go all the way back in.
Whoa, what?
Is that you?
Yeah? Uh-huh. Wow. Good. Cool. So you're gonna get home?
That's down anyway. Oh, wait.
Yeah, we're.
You get on.
You guys don't want to get in this one anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
We have stops at every grocery store. Get out here.
We're all 12-year-olds.
That's how it works.
Glad we bonded.
The second I got in here and saw you and tried to do what was going on.
you have a little noisemaker? Or is that real?
That wasn't me. It's the real deal.
Greatest day of my life right now.
Oh my god, what the fuck?